Hello, my name is Taylor Lucido, and I'll be doing my presentation on how to create a CRM system. So then, why make a CRM system? If you want to implement a customer relationship management software system, or CRM, to help manage your sales prospects but don't want to spend a lot of money to do so, this is the presentation for you. Why should you be interested in a CRM, and what are the benefits of a CRM system? According to Software Advice, a CRM system will help ensure you provide prospects with the right information when they need it. By improving your follow-up with prospects, this will lead you to get more new customers, higher total revenues, and thus additional earnings for your business. Why wouldn't you want that? So then, many ask, why not just buy the system instead of building it? There are actually many benefits to building your own system instead of buying it, the main one being cost. It's free when you use the platform I will be describing in my presentation. You also have flexibility, and you're able to customize your data table freely, as well as the ease of use being a key factor. Now, how do you build your own system? According to Software Advice, a great place to start is Google Docs. By using Google Docs, you can build your own CRM system on a platform that will allow for sharing and same-time editing by many users. What this means is that if both Bob and Joe are using the CRM system at the same time, and Bob inputs some new information into the CRM system, Joe will immediately see the changes. Using Google Docs also allows you to provide different privilege settings for different people and allows you to download any data you wish. The download feature is very helpful as any user can then download any piece of data and modify for analysis purposes without affecting the CRM system data. So here on this slide is an example of a CRM system in Google Docs. It's just your basic spreadsheet, and you just add columns and what you need inside of it. The next slide will be exactly what you should put in for a CRM system. So then, what information should be included? To actually build the system within Google Docs, you need to create a spreadsheet to hold all prospect data. According to Software Advice, within the spreadsheet, you should include the following fields: demographics, contact name, email, phone number, company name, source of prospect, a note of where the prospect came from so that you know which marketing activities are working, next action code, the number system for the different actions required to be taken with a prospect, the next action date. This is the date at which the next action needs to be taken. Contact log, a large cell where you can log all contacts and key discussions with the prospect. Make note of any significant buyer hot buttons or opportunities and on what date these discussions take place. You also could have lead nurturing stage, a numbered system of how close a prospect is to purchasing. I use the following system: 1. Aware of not interested. 2. Interested. 3. Verbal commitment to buy. 4. Has purchased. This is just the numbering system that is used, but you could create your own numbering system that works for your business. The estimated opportunity size. This is an estimate of how large the sales opportunity is with the prospect. You can always record this number as the projected annual sales to the prospect, but this could be modified to whatever is applicable to your business. Now that was all some key information on how to make a CRM system and exactly what it is and what you can do with it. Now on to ending words. The input fields above are what Software Advice recommends, but any input field that is relevant to your need can be added. If after using the system you determine you are missing a field, it is easy to add an additional one. The options are endless. That is why creating your own CRM system within Google Docs is a great option when analyzing your customer field. Also, according to Software Advice, using a spreadsheet in Google Docs to set up this method allows great functionality given to the sort feature within Google Docs. You can sort the data by any field you wish. So if you want to find all prospects that require an action to be taken, you can sort by the next action date field. Or if you want to find out which prospects represent the biggest sales opportunity, you can search by the estimated opportunity size field. It's pretty simple if you have worked with spreadsheets before. It's a great way to organize data. Also, using a spreadsheet also allows you to create other worksheets to summarize data of all your prospects. So for example, if you want to know the total opportunity size of all prospects, you can calculate that with a simple formula on another worksheet within the Google Docs. Or maybe you want to know the number of companies you need to take an action with. Again, this can be done with a simple formula using data functions. Or maybe you want to know the number of prospects that are at a particular stage of your lead nurturing cycle. A simple function will allow you to do this. Google Docs can provide everything you need for a basic CRM system, but it allows for extreme flexibility at a better price, free. Additionally, this kind of system will improve your sales results, resulting in a notable increase in profits. So then Google Docs is a great place to start when making a CRM system. And here's a website for 5 easy steps on using Google Docs to make a CRM system spreadsheet. It basically tells you exactly how to make one inside of Google Docs. And I didn't have enough time to go ahead and put those in, but if anyone's interested in making a CRM system with Google Docs, this is the website that you need. And that's the end of my presentation. Here is the reference page, and if you have any questions, just leave it down in the reply box.